Here talking about mommyhood pregnancy with who else but Rosie Pope, star of Pregnant in Heels. I love the show, first of all.
Thank you very much.
I am not so newly anymore. I'm like almost at the halfway mark pregnant.
When you get to 6 months, you're going to pop.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Do you want to pop or are you...
I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. I'm really happy wearing out my skinny jeans till the very last minute. But that's actually a question that I had for you.
Yeah.
Is that like... Obviously, I live in leggings the rest of the time. I feel like they're essential for the mom to be.
Yeah.
Are there any other absolute wardrobe essentials?
You need, these are not going to work for very much
no.
longer. You need leggings, you need a great pair of pants. Because you know just as much when you've eaten too much and the waistband hurts, it's just not a comfortable place to be. You need to figure out what pants work for you. Some people like over the belly, some people like under the belly. And you also need a great dress.
Yes. Obviously, diapers are a baby must-have.
Yep.
Like thinking about getting ready for the baby, especially in a New York City apartment.
Well, the thing about diapers is what you'll realize when you have this baby is when you're on, baby's on the changing table and you're changing a diaper, it's really going to be the bonding moment for you and your baby because the baby's up close and you can talk to her and you can really interact. So actually the whole diapering experience, it's not the sort of gross, poopy experience that people joke about a lot. It's a really special moment and it's nice to be able to celebrate that with Pampers diapers.
I'm going to have to convince the baby's father of that as well because I really do want him to be...
He's really scared because she's a girl.
Going to be great. Are there any tips that you have to really get him involved, like once she arrives or even leading up to it that could make him more comfortable?
Well, he should absolutely take a class.
Yeah?
Yeah, he really should take a class, trust me. Because he's probably going to change the first diaper because you're going to be recovering in hospital and when babies do their first poop, it's the meconium poop and it's this black tarry nastiness.
I learned that from the show.
Right. And you're going to be lying in bed. And he's going to have to get up and do it.
Oh.
So he needs to get with the program.
That's quite an intro.
Yeah. So I would take a childbirth class. He should prepare for that. And just make him less anxious and he'll be able to enjoy it.
So I'm going to have to come down and see you and I will drag him along for sure as well. Thank you for all of the
My
good
pleasure.
information. Again, Rosie Pope, watch her on Bravo, Pregnant in Heels.